Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook chicken green bean stir fry. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce. The chicken I marinated with soy sauce, black pepper, and a little flour. And then the green beans, garlic, onions, spring onions, and then bell pepper. Saute the garlic. And then the onions, smells good. And then the spring onions. And we're gonna add the chicken now. Little soy sauce, salt, and then we're gonna simmer this one, guys, for how many minutes? Until the chicken is going to be cooked. Okay, simmer for a few minutes. Okay guys, the chicken is cooked, so we're gonna add the green beans. What's that one? And now guys, we're gonna add the oyster sauce. Okay guys, and then we're gonna simmer this one for how many minutes? Until na maluto na ang bean. Okay? So we're gonna cover it first. Look at that one, it's already cooked. Our chicken green bean stir fry is done. Okay. Garnish it. Okay, stir fry is done. I'm gonna off the heat. And now it's tasting time. It's yummy. Green beans, guys, and the chicken big. I'm gonna taste the chicken also. So since I already put my mouth and then that's why I use this one. Okay, I mean I put the spoon in my mouth already, so that's why I try to use the ladle. Yummy. Okay guys, so this is our chicken green bean stir fry is done, and it's super yummy. It's very quick, easy to make, and affordable. Okay, thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel D Bro Ja, to my Instagram D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.